In this video, I'll tell you how you can fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet issue in any Samsung device. First of all, what you have to do is connect the same Wi-Fi with any other device and see if internet is working fine. If Wi-Fi is working fine on another device but the issue is right here, then simply navigate to your settings application and tap on connections. And from here, tap on Wi-Fi and go to Wi-Fi settings. And from here tap on forget, and after that reconnect the Wi-Fi. Tap on your Wi-Fi and enter your Wi-Fi password. Once you have entered the password, tap on connect and see if this resolves your issue. However, if the issue still remains, then go back once again and scroll down. And right here tap on general management and scroll down and tap on reset. Then scroll down once again, and from here you will need to reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Tap on reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings and tap on reset settings. As you can see that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth setting has been reset successfully. After that go back once again and go to connections once again. Tap on Wi-Fi and connect your Wi-Fi once again. And by doing this, your issue will most likely be fixed. However, if the issue still remains, then it can be from Wi-Fi router. Turn off your Wi-Fi router for 10 minutes and turn it on again after 10 minutes. So that's how you can fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet issue on any Samsung device. So that's it for this video. If this video helped, subscribe.